Any like tips to like get through all the studying, the challenges?
I think just realize it's temporary, and like your career is a lot longer than the struggle of school is. So you can get past the 2-3 years of nursing school, then you have your lifetime career.
Would you guys prefer being a stay-at-home wife or make your own money?
I think there's a fine line with that. Of course, you know, who would love, I feel like people would love to just not work these days, but at the same time, I feel like I would just get over it and want to make a living of my own also.
Yeah, you'll get bored, you're saying?
I would get very bored, I think so.
I know, I feel it. How about you?
I think if I could find a way to balance both, I would like it. In my career, I work 3 days a week is full-time.
Okay.
It's like 12.5-hour shifts. And then I have 4 days off, so I kind of get like the best of both worlds, where I can like grocery shop and do all the things that I want to do at home, but then also like have my career.
Got you. What do you do for a living?
I actually do ministry.
Oh, really? Okay. How long you been doing that for?
About 2 years now.
Like in terms of like the business side of things in ministry, it's nonprofit.
It's donation based.
Donation based. I've always been curious about like financials. So what is like an example of someone in your position, like how much would you get donated to you, or what percentage?
So I would say I don't know if mine would be the best for this sort of thing, but it's truly I rely on the Lord, and I rely on Him getting my page, my Instagram to the right people.
I feel it, yeah.
Speaking through me, you know, by way of the Holy Spirit, and being able to be authentic and true and get His work done.
Absolutely.